I lost everything.
I'm sick of this poor life.
I'll bring something back.
I can't live in this poor house. Let's run away from here and be happy together. I'm sorry.
What is this? My family, we're saved! Why? Why did you leave us?
Dad, even now I miss Mom so much. If only she hadn't left us.
If only she was still here with us.
Dad? That's Mom?
No, that's not your mother. It's someone else.
I lost everything.